Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Stocks with You. I'm your host, Ulysses Herrera, and today we're going to do our daily market update for November 12th. At the time of this recording is 1:47 p.m. California time, guys. Guys, let's get started. Overall sentiment is, of course, all of crypto is down. It looks like what we have been saying for the past couple weeks is that it's hard for things to keep going up forever, and eventually we're gonna need a little bit of correction. Do I see a bigger correction? Maybe. So let's get to it, guys. Let's get to it. So overall, the total crypto market cap right now is at $2.8 trillion. How long is this sustainable for? Guys, we've been at all-time highs for the past month, basically, guys. So nothing ever stays at all-time highs, guys. Right here, we were traveling through all-time highs for about August 1st to about September 5th. So August, September, about 1 month. And then eventually you have a correction. Same here. We hit all-time highs, and then, boom, we had a correction. All-time highs, boom, correction. So we need corrections throughout the whole time, guys. That's just normal. It's just very normal, and we haven't had a major correction. All this blue and white momentum is positive momentum. We haven't seen any red negative momentum. So we are yet to see what's going to happen, where the market cap will end up when we have negative momentum. I think I have a prediction that at least it will probably try to find support at 2.4 trillion. And at worst, we could probably get down to 2 trillion. And that sounds like crazy, guys. But no matter what, there's always corrections. And that's just normal, guys. And you have to be prepared for them. Bitcoin right now, guys, it seems like, once again, the one-day chart, I mean, we saw a little bit of a correction. We kind of saw stagnation and a small correction from 67,000. But we haven't really moved much higher than that. It just hasn't happened. And these two candles tell me that we may be seeing more of these candles coming soon. Is it likely that we're going to keep going up to all-time highs? I mean, nothing is impossible. This is crypto, guys. But also, there is a possibility of us just not continue to pump and having a bigger correction. That's always in the cards, guys. But on the 4-hourly, it looks like crypto is Bitcoin is trying to find some support here at $64,000. If we don't hold the 64,000, of course we're going to come back down and retest 61,000. But it seems like we may have found the bottom, and so we could be trying to retest the $69,000 area again. That's definitely within the cards, guys. So let's see what happens. On the 1 hour, it's kind of more confirmed that it's trying to find support at 64,000. And so we'll see if we continue to pump up. Like I said, if we break above 64,500 up to 65,000 and hold that, it is very likely that we will see 67,000 and possibly even 69,000 retesting the all-time high and seeing what happens from there. Ultimately, do I think it's going to break the all-time high again and keep going? Can't tell you, guys. I just can't tell you because, like I said, we've been riding all-time highs for quite a while, and nothing rides up forever, guys. That's just what happens. Shiba coin, guys. Shiba coin has been trying to regain back above the 50-day moving average. As you guys see, right through this major dump, what happened is it went down. I told you guys that would happen, and then after that, it tried to come back and retest the 50-day moving average, and it got rejected. Over here, it tried to come up slightly, and it got rejected. And now we pump down again, and we trying to retest it, and we get rejected. So what's going to happen if we just keep getting rejected by the 50-day moving average? Eventually, that's going to turn into a downtrend, guys. Because on the one-day chart, Shiba has just been overbought for quite a while. I mean, it's dipped down quite a bit. I mean, from the all-time highs. Could it keep going down? I mean, unfortunately, everything has a lot more momentum, negative momentum to see. Now, Shiba coin, once again, follows no real fundamentals. So we could be seeing this dump and then a huge pump out of nowhere. So it's just one of those things where I personally don't invest in because, like I said, Shiba coin doesn't follow any certain fundamentals. Shiba coin just pumps out of nowhere and dumps out of nowhere, depending on the news, and that's just not a risk I'm willing to take, guys. Ethereum. Let's go to Ethereum. Once again, Ethereum riding the all-time highs. We've been riding the all-time highs really for about October, about 1 month as well, guys. October, November. So this is not where you want to buy. I mean, I personally don't want to buy Ethereum here, guys. I want to buy Ethereum here, or here, or here, you know. But buying here, guys, is, for me, it just doesn't make too much sense. Buying the all-time high and then having the uncertainty that we will eventually get a pullback, to me, that's just doesn't make too much sense. Could we pull back down and try to retest the bull market support band, and then if it doesn't hold, go back down to, you know, the 50-day? A possibility, guys. Nothing is impossible, and if anything, it's healthy for corrections to happen so we can keep moving up for the next leg. That's just what's normal right now. On the 4-hourly though, Ethereum looks like, once again, it's trying to find its support at the 50-day moving average. Look at this, guys. I mean, it breaks down below the 50 and it comes back up. Breaks down, touches the 50, comes back up. Breaks down, touches the 50, comes back up. Breaks down, comes back up. I mean, this pattern is so predictable that, it's just there. Look at this. I mean, this is very, 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 very predictable. So right now it's trying to retest the 50. Is it going to come back up and try to retest 4,800? That's a possibility, of course. It probably will, and then come back down, or just keep going up. So we'll see what's going to happen. Let's let time play it by. But I think obviously we might be retesting the $4,800 level just because of the support it's trying to find on the 4-hourly and on the 1-hourly as well. So Litecoin, guys, remember Litecoin had these crazy pumps, and then now it's correcting. It went up to 293, very close to my prediction of 300, and now we're correcting. And on the 4-hourly, we're correcting, and I mean, there's not much support here, guys. Not much support, so it's not unlikely to see Litecoin coming back down to test $230. It's not out of the cards. It's not out of the cards, guys. So that's what's going on with Litecoin. Dogecoin finding support at the 200-day moving average on the 4-hourly. Is it going to come back and try to retest, you know, the $28.29 area? Possibility, guys. Definitely a possibility. But I feel like Dogecoin overall has just kind of lost a lot of momentum. And so the Dogecoin community really needs to come in and pull through for Dogecoin, guys. Dogecoin has just kind of been a little bit weak on the last couple of days. But that's kind of it for now, guys. Let's talk about Cardano. Same thing with Cardano. You know, there was a small pump and we're back down. Right, remember, we were down to all the way up to 237, 228. It was solid, and then we came back down. I mean, you could have ridden that pump for about 20% and then sold out and then rebought the dip. Cardano, it's really not having any crazy positive momentum moves, but it looks like, once again, Cardano is trying to find support on the 50-day moving average. Maybe we can go up and retest the $2.38 and see what happens after that, guys. So which $2.38 makes a lot of sense, guys, because look at this. This is a point of resistance, because we've had a lot of resistance here, guys. A lot of resistance. So you guys could see more clearly. There's been a lot of resistance here on Cardano. Right there. Boom. There's been a lot of resistance there. And so it's going to be interesting to see if Cardano could break down this next pop. And if there's not enough momentum, they probably won't. But I think that we're going to go ahead and try to retest, you know, that move again. Alrighty, guys. Thank you very much for watching. You can always get out of the rat race too. I will see you on the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bells.